In the 13th century, while the world around him was collapsing under the Mongol invasions, one man quietly rebuilt the foundations of astronomy and mathematics. His name was Nasir al-Tusi, and history rarely gives him the credit he deserves, even though his ideas shaped the future of science in ways most people never realize. Al-Tusi was born in Persia in the early 1200s, at a time when knowledge was scattered and the great scientific centers of the Islamic world were under threat. But instead of abandoning scholarship, he expanded it. When the Mongols conquered his region, Al-Tusi did not disappear. He negotiated the creation of one of the most advanced scientific institutions of its time, the Maraga Observatory. Inside its massive halls, Al-Tusi gathered scholars from across the world, Muslims, Christians, and even Chinese astronomers, all working together to produce the most accurate astronomical tables humanity had ever seen. These records would later travel across borders and centuries, and eventually reach the hands of a young Polish astronomer named Nicholas Copernicus. But Al-Tusi's real breakthrough was something far more subtle and far more brilliant, a geometric tool now called the Tusi couple. Two circles rotating inside each other, producing linear motion from circular motion, a mathematical trick so advanced that Copernicus copied it almost exactly in his own work. Without Al-Tusi's mechanism, the heliocentric model, the idea that the Earth moves, would have been impossible to describe accurately. Al-Tusi wrote over 120 books, mastering philosophy, ethics, mathematics, logic, astronomy, and theology. His work on trigonometry turned it into a standalone science. His ethics writings influenced Muslim and European thinkers for centuries, and his astronomical team built instruments so precise that they corrected errors that had existed since Ptolemy, more than 1,000 years earlier. Yet today, ask the average person who revolutionized astronomy, and they will tell you Copernicus. Ask who perfected trigonometry, and most won't know. Ask who designed the observatory model later used in Europe, and his name is almost never mentioned. Al-Tusi wasn't just a scholar, he was a force of knowledge in a dark time, a man who rebuilt science during an age of destruction, a mind so powerful that even the fall of empires could not silence him. This is the legacy of Nasir al-Din al-Tusi, a forgotten genius whose ideas helped reshape the universe itself. Follow Tactical Legends for a full deep dive episode coming soon.